Christie Matheson Birdwatch. What might you find when you go outside? Bluebird, dove, wren, robin, owl, hawk, warbler, hummingbird, sparrow. We see a lot of sparrows. Chickadees.
Chickadees. Well, chickadees are a type of sparrow.
By Christie Matheson. Green Willow Books. Always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. E.B. White. For Carrie. Birding checklist. Are you doing something good or bad?
I'm just doing my birds over you and under you.
Oh, okay. There are treasures hiding in the trees and on the ground and in the air. If you go outside and look carefully, you just might find them. On a beautiful morning, you just might find 10 black-capped chickadees perching in the trees. Do you see them? Let me take off my jacket on one side. I see one here, two here, three here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are your first treasure. Do you see them all? I think I got them all. As the chickadees fly away, you just might find 9 bluebirds landing nearby. Their feathers look mostly blue, but some have orange feathers too. Do you see the 9 bluebirds landing nearby? Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that's 9 over here. They're a little tricky to find. If you look closely, you just might find 8 sparrows hiding near the ground. Let's see if we can find 8 sparrows hiding near the ground. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. You can see like the feathers behind the leaves. So 8. We found 8. We found 8 sparrows. Make a wish and whoosh, blow on the dandelions. Amaya, don't throw mud. Don't throw mud at anyone.
I won't throw mud at anyone.
Don't. It's a seed feast. As a few raindrops fall, you just might find 7 wrens singing. Try to spy their stripy tails.
Hey, look! I have a little ball.
Yes, you do have a little mud ball.
I made it out of mud.
Maybe you could make a mud oven.
Mud oven? I don't know how to make
That would be cool. How many does it say? 7. Let's see if we can find 7. 1. They're hard to see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, up here is 4, Down here is 5, 6, 7. Found them. 7. 7 wrens. While the wrens take cover, you just might find 6 robins looking for worms. Aha! One has a worm in her beak already. 6 robins. Here's 1 down here. 2, 3, 4 behind the flower. 5 and 6, the baby robin. Pretty. When the blue sky returns, you just might find 5 sunny yellow warblers. Do you see 5 sunny yellow warblers? Well, there's 1. Could there be more? Turn the page, you just might find
1.
another warbler. Now there are 2, but where are the other 3? While you wait for more warblers, you just might find a bee, a spider, a red ladybug, a delicate dragonfly, and a slimy banana slug.
I'm a butterfly.
Are you a butterfly or are you a slimy banana slug?
I'm a wormy.
You're a wormy?
Yeah.
As the slug slinks
I'm a
along,
worm,
you just might find 4 doves cooing.
And also a sparrow is looking for me.
A sparrow is looking for you?
Yeah,
Count them
sparrow
quietly
is
so you don't
looking
scare them
for
away.
me, the
Oh,
worm.
you know the birds like it when we're very quiet. They get scared when they hear our voices and then they fly away. So we have to try to be quiet so they come out.
Why do that here?
Near the brightest flower, you just might find 3 hummingbirds hovering. They are searching for nectar to sip. Do you see the 3 hummingbirds? 1, 2, 3. While the hummingbirds snack, mice scurry about. How many can you see? Uh-oh, you just might find 2 hawks eyeing those mice. I see a mouse here. I see a mouse right here. And right here. 3 mice. And there's the hawk. And there's the hawk. The hawks are soaring away. Can you see the hummingbirds who zipped up to tease them? She is tiny. And the hawks just found that she is very brave. Oh, a hummingbird zipped up. She zipped up to tease them. That's her.
How, Mommy?
When the sky grows darker, you just might find 1 more beautiful bird. Who could it be? Turn the page to see. Who? That's who. The owl is who. Most of the birds are sleeping now, though the owl may be up all night. But if you look again in the morning, you just might find the treasure you've been waiting for. And this is a really nice book. And
This is a really
it teaches you to
big,
treasure
This is a really
nature.
big mud ball.
Beautiful, which God made for
Watch
free.
out, it's gonna hit you.
No throwing balls at anyone.
Oh, okay.
So it was raining all morning, and now in the afternoon it stopped and the sun came out and the sky is blue and it's beautiful outside now.